Here typically falls Dongcheng Shiyuan, it's Jincheng. Across from Jincheng Garden. Whoa, holy crap. Too sudden. Brothers, a small box truck comes into view in the picture. Then a flash of light appears. The small box truck disappears instantly. Only a few pieces of scrap iron remain. The powerful shockwave makes the surveillance camera tremble. Now, please listen up. Let's watch it again with the original sound. Holy moly. This power is no less than 10 kilograms. If Iron Man came, he'd be blown to smithereens. The driver is definitely toast. In the picture, a beautiful woman is fully armed. Riding an electric scooter attracts everyone's attention. Unbeknownst to him, what's about to happen has nothing to do with him. And the young man coming towards her is the main character today. Ouch! The young man kicks his legs in pain. To be honest, the young man is really unlucky. There was only one problem brick within a few dozen meters, and he just had to run over it. Luckily, he's not completely out of luck. The car didn't hit his big head. Otherwise, at the most, he'd be permanently retarded. At worst, he'd just be done for. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. Iron Lee always. It's nighttime. The car in front is driving over the line. The car behind honks to remind him to move over. The owner of the black car is quite cooperative. He turned on his turn signal immediately, but he only cooperated halfway. The car is still over the line. Little does he know, the driver behind has reached his limit. He stepped on the gas, sideswiping the black car and hitting it. He vented his anger. I'm not even responsible. The driver of the car behind is just awesome with this move. The cars are all driving fast on the highway. A Corolla was at the forefront. Unbeknownst to them, a surprise was about to appear. I saw him changing lanes suddenly while driving. Then a young man pushing a tire came into view. The Corolla was unfortunately hit by the tire. The video car was almost in trouble too. Tell me who wouldn't panic in this situation? The old folks are riding their electric scooter on the bridge. Our video car is right behind them. At this moment, the electric scooter starts to drift towards the middle of the road. The car driver couldn't brake in time, and bumped into the old folks' electric scooter. The car driver is definitely at fault. No need to say more. But observant viewers must have noticed something about the old lady. Just as the electric scooter was moving to the middle of the road, the old lady's hand clearly made a braking action, resulting in the electric scooter's sudden stop. This is also the reason for the rear-end collision. The car owner did not maintain a safe distance. Suffered a silent loss. If he encounters old folks again in the future, remember to keep a distance. As the saying goes, the car in front braking must have a reason. But the black car that suddenly appeared was still going 75. The driver thus got a free roller coaster ride. Although the driver's reaction was quite fast, but it has to be said, the big sub's performance is really good. The car body jumped up, but it didn't scrape the bottom, nor did it flip over. The young man had just ridden for a bit, and his mood was very good. Surrounded by happiness, he forgot to observe. He accelerated and rode onto the stone bollard on the side of the road. The tire burst on the spot. The new car instantly became an accident car. I heard that replacing a set of battery packs isn't cheap. The young man is in trouble now.